Well, now that I got it down this far, the powers that be want it a little bit lighter. I kind of like this look, and it probably would look okay, but I talked to the owner and she likes, see how that's nice and brown, more tannish color on there rather than that little section. See how that is a little bit blacker than that right there. Same thing over in here. See, this all kind of blends. See right in there? Rather than that little section. See how it's darker right there? And I could go through the entire room and kind of look at it and sort of see where the areas are. I'm going to have to do I'm going to end up doing a once over on this because I want it to look a little bit more uniform. Now take a look at this room. This was the first room I did. You see how this is more even with the shading, not as much black in here. Now see, here's the hallway. See how there's more black in there? That's because I didn't scrub it as hard as in there. Okay, I kind of like that, and so does she. She likes that. The owner likes that. So when you get out into this hallway, you see how I like the tan colors, but there is a little bit more black in here than I would like to see. See there? I like that right in there more so than that over there. Okay, so that's all right. I mean, if this was like in an office, it would probably work out fine. It's kind of like a preference thing. You might say, hey Joe, that's fine. Just go ahead and seal it. Well, if I seal it like that, they don't like it, then I can lump it. And so I'm gonna do what she wants. I'm gonna go back over this area right here, and I'm gonna spend a little bit of extra time. You can see where I spent the extra time right in there, and then I got out here and kind of rushed it just a little bit extra. And so I'll do it. I'll make it look better. Can you believe that? That's the same floor. I've done it that much better. And I still have to keep working on it. It almost looks like I didn't even do this floor at all the first time. So say, the more you do it, the better you can do it. If you want it darker, you can leave it like that. If you want it lighter, you can keep scrubbing on it. And I'm still cleaning it. I'm doing a little bit better job. See, I've got to get this over here. This is how it was all the way around the side right there. And so see, I cleaned that up a little bit better all the way along there. And I'm still going to take more of these lines out. This is really kicking my butt right here. These lines. Because see, this little area here, I still have to do. See how much better it looks? You know, I've left a couple little lines here and there, and I've done this little area right here. I went all the way across here and got most of the lines out. You know, I leave a couple here and there because that adds more texture to the floor. But the more lines I leave, the darker the floor it makes it look like, okay? If you want it to look kind of like rough sawn wood or something, you can leave some of those lines in there, here and there. Okay? I've spent probably, I don't know, 3 hours so far scrub-a-dub-dub on here. It's taking forever. I took off some of the paint off of the side. I used that. I also used that. And I've got my scraper, my steel brush here, And this I rinse out every once in a while because I get too much going. And see, once I do this whole floor, I'm gonna take my spray, my cleaner, and kind of wipe it, spray it a little bit, and then wipe all the way over to get it to kind of blend in all together, all in one go. Okay, well, that's what I've been up to today. Oh, this is gonna feel so good tonight. Sauna time. I think I deserve it. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more video.